What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Bills, and today we are back on my 28 Model A. It's raining out today, so I was like, you know what, maybe I'll stay in the house and like chill. And then I'm like, you know what, this car is literally not going to build itself, and if I want to drive it by the fall and bring it to shows, then I need to just get my booty outside and get cranking on it. So today I am going to be welding these pieces on both sides. Hard to do with one hand. So this goes right up here. It's just a piece above the door. I'm gonna be migging it in. Kind of was going back and forth with Trav if I should TIG or MIG. I'm not excellent at TIG welding, so I'm gonna just MIG it. I'm gonna paint it anyway, and this is my first real build, so I'm kind of cool with MIG welding it. Of course, I'd prefer the TIG, but you know, it is what it is. So we're in my little pop-up garage tent now. Trav and I are gonna pop it up, then we'll bring my welder outside and just get right to it. So let's do it, people.
Yeah, you don't see it.
Oh my god, ow. Now we're over at the Hammer and Dolly station, if you will. Gonna hit this so it's just flat and there's no flange on it. You can probably see on the inside better. So it's laying flat, so when we go to put it up on the car, it's just flush with it. So since we're welding it, instead of just nailing it to the wood, having it nice and flat, of course, you know, makes more sense to weld it in.
Yeah.
Very weird position. Can I have ears? I think this is too tall.
That's just the lowest one.
It's like an arm workout because it's so tall for my body. Okay. So just went to get the other one to do the other side, and look at it. Yikes. I hope that the camera is picking it up, but whew. So same thing on this side, but somebody tried to weld it and they unfortunately did not do an excellent job, but we're gonna make it work.
Wobbling.
So I didn't mention, but this goes above the door, and Trav wants to take it apart and...
Well, this is for 3031.
Yeah.
So yeah, this bracket doesn't go to this car. Neither does this, but I think this will work. So I'm trying to just take this off, but it's solid rivets they used back in the day. I don't know how they work so good. They just don't let go of any, unless there's spot welds on here too that I don't know about. Which would be very annoying.
So while Travis is figuring that out, he's having a hard time, so we figured if he can't even get this quite yet at the moment, I'm gonna have an even harder time. So using the time wisely, and I'm just gonna start grinding the paint off of this and on the car where I'll be welding, so it's nice, ready to go, and ready to be welded. So everyone thought it was a good idea to wear the mask, it seems like. I know it might be excessive to some, but I don't know. Grinding, breathing stuff in. Even when I was using the hammer, I was like, I should probably have a mask on, just in case, you know. So I'll put this on, and then we'll get grinding. My step stool to get in the car. Okay, so that side's all set. I'll just bring you guys over here. Ooh, the sun's starting to come out, and we shall do the other side. Alright, so my welder's outside and it's time to just get that piece in. I'm running out of time here, so let's just hopefully get both sides in. I don't know, let's see. It's a Sunday, so we're a little more flexible with me staying out working on the project. So we're just fitting in a little bit. We don't think that this piece actually goes to the car. What do you think, 31? 32?
I think it's 30, 31.
Yeah, but I'm putting a roof on it anyway.
Roof insert.
Yeah, a roof insert. So just trying to get it fitted in before I weld it. So I'll just tag it and then we'll start to move the clamp up. Good? Now we go. Got my trusty step stool. So I'm having a bit of trouble because it's so high and there's really no step stool for me to use. So now I have 2 blocks of wood, so hopefully this approves my once I got my step stool in order, it was much easier. So that's all set. Now we'll just go to the other side and repeat it all. Well, I was just about to get it in place and start to weld it, and this is the side where it was like super bad. So Travis was just looking at it a little bit and trying to like flatten it out. We just put it up here and it's not going in very well at all, which not too surprising because it's so bad, but you know, I don't know. So Travis is doing his metal shaping stuff over here, and I'm here for the moral support. I don't know. I'll show you guys what he's doing. What are you thinking?
Almost there.
Yeah, just does not fit well at all because it's so like wonky, you know. almost there, so. Trav's gonna hold it while I do a tack, and then hopefully we can do the clamp and we can just continue. This? That's not good at all.
Huh?
How am I gonna weld that? No? Should I bang it right there? There you go. It's gonna hurt your hand, no?
It's not hurting, we'll protect it like you just had.
Alright, I'm doing a bad job and I'm really nervous to burn Trav. Where's your mask? Trav!
Right there.
My mask was up, you idiot!
Don't look.
So as you guys can see, it's pretty bad. Like, I don't know. I'm like, was chewing it out a little bit right there already. So I'm gonna have Travis do this because, I don't know. Why have me do it and then make it worse when it's already pretty rough? So. So Travis did the other side, it's all set. He's currently putting the nails in the wood over there. So while he does that, I'm gonna just start grinding over here on this side, and that should pretty much be it because they'll both be in and, you know, kind of ready to go. I've been trying to add more time lapses into this video because we were watching last video and we were like, is this a little bit boring? I'm still trying to learn how to do YouTube and like make these longer form videos. So if you have any suggestions or tips what you like in videos, that would be great because I don't want to like bore you guys, you know? So again, as I'm blabbing, I'll just zip it and get to work. So that is pretty much it for today. These pieces are on. I was just backing up and I'm like, man, it's something so like small and little to really do, you know, like just pretty much fix the bend and weld them in and then like grind it, you know, but I mean, dang, that looks pretty cool. Needs the roof, of course, but yeah. And now it's sunny out and it's beautiful, and I'm glad that I just got my butt outside, took care of something because it is not too major and it's not gonna make the car go down the road, but still something that had to be done, and now it is done. So I'm glad I came outside, made use of the beautiful day, and let me know what you guys think. Do you like more of just like the time lapse of me like actually working? Because the last thing I want is to bore you guys and then you're like, ooh, you know, this channel is boring. So I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this whole YouTube thing out. I've only been doing it for like, I don't know how long, but still trying to figure out. If you guys let me know like what you like or what you'd want to see more of or less of, I don't know, just kind of let me know what you think, and I would super appreciate that because what you guys say matters and I really appreciate the feedback. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting, and yeah, we're just gonna keep building this Model A one piece at a time, one step at a time, and I'm thinking by September this thing should be driving. I don't know if it will be painted. I'd love that. I don't know. I'm trying to get my dad to help me do the body work on it. So his shop has paint, and I don't know if they'll let me do it there, but fingers crossed, and if not, we'll do something here. But anyway, thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you guys next time.